Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to block websites in your desktop browser. Let's get started. For this tutorial, we'll use a privacy-friendly website blocker browser extension. First, let's open the extension website and install it. The extension is available for Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and even Firefox for Android. Once the extension is installed, let's pin it from the Extensions menu so we can access it quickly later. Now, suppose we want to block a website like Avrodh.com. As you can see, the website opens normally right now because we haven't configured our website blocker yet. Let's open the extension by clicking its icon. Now we can create our first block list. First, enter a name for the block list. Then add the websites you want to block. In this example, we'll add Avrodh.com. You can also add multiple websites here, or create different lists to organize them more easily. One great thing about this extension is privacy. Unlike many website blockers that request permission for all websites, this extension only asks for permission to the specific websites you choose to block. Now, as you can see, Avrodh.com is successfully blocked. But what if you want to allow a specific page on that website to remain accessible? You can do that using a feature called Allowed Paths. Let's configure that for our block list. And there we go. The main website remains blocked, while the allowed page is still accessible. Pretty useful, right? I hope this video helped you learn how to block websites in your browser in a more privacy-friendly way. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.